welcome to Trending World Fashion Hub, your go-to destination for the most captivating and up-to-date fashion inspirations from around the globe, especially the heart of Africa. In today's fashion showcase, we're highlighting the stunning Tswana traditional dresses of 2025, beautifully crafted with sophisticated Shweshwe fabric that's perfect for every look bride in South Africa. Whether you're preparing for a traditional wedding, cultural celebration, or simply love bold African elegance, these Tswana-inspired looks are a must-see. From contemporary Tswana bridal attire, stylish Xhosa and tutorials, to graceful Seshoeshoe dress designs, this video brings you the very best of Southern African fashion trends, infused with cultural pride and beauty. Stick around till the end to explore trendy Shweshwe maxi dresses, plus-size Seshoeshoe gowns, and intricate beadwork styles that combine tradition with modern flair. Whether you're looking for outfit inspiration for the weekend or searching for the perfect traditional look for your big event, this video has something stylish just for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Trending World Fashion Hub for regular updates on stunning African-inspired fashion from all corners of the world. Explore the most fashionable 2025 Tswana traditional dresses, featuring modern Shweshwe fabric designs tailored for every Makoti and African woman. From elegant Tswana bridal outfits to creative Xhosa, classy Seshoeshoe styles, and jaw-dropping African beadwork, this collection is a blend of culture and fashion-forward trends. Discover breathtaking styles for bridal showers, traditional wedding ceremonies, lobola introductions, and weekend events. Whether you're slim, curvy, or plus size, there's a beautiful African dress here to make you feel confident and chic. Subscribe to Trending World Fashion Hub for global fashion content with a focus on cultural elegance and modern flair. Watch now, stay inspired, and stay stylish. Traditional dresses 2025, Shweshwe dresses from Makoti, South African traditional dresses, Tswana wedding dresses, elegant African dresses 2025, Seshoeshoe dresses, African fashion styles, trending traditional dresses, Xhosa 2025, Makoti dresses South Africa, modern African fashion, plus-size African dresses, cultural dresses for women, African beaded styles, Trending World Fashion Hub, Tswana traditional dresses 2025, Shweshwe dresses 2025, Makoti style African fashion 2025, Seshoeshoe style South African brides, Xhosa beaded African fashion, Trending World Fashion Hub, elegant African dresses, African bridal wear, African fashion, African dresses 2025. The fashion sense gets a glow up with every scroll. Today, we're serving hot, fresh, and fabulous looks straight out of South Africa. Say hello to the Tswana traditional dresses of 2025. These designs are so stunning, even your in-laws would be speechless. And that's saying something. Get ready to be wowed by the magic of Shweshwe fabric, known for turning Makotis into absolute queens and making every wedding guest wish they had your tailor on speed dial. Whether you're planning your big day, attending someone else's, or just here for the sleigh, these Tswana styles are giving rich auntie energy and royal vibes all the way. We've got everything from modern bridal wear, classy Xhosa dopes, yes, there's even a tutorial, because we love you, and flawless Seshoeshoe gowns that'll make you want to schedule a photo shoot, even if you're just going to buy bread. Stay tuned to the end. We're dropping plus-size friendly options, maxi dress goals, and beaded masterpieces that'll have you saying, "Where have these dresses been all my life?" Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion magic right here on Trending World Fashion Hub, the only place where African fashion comes with a whole lot of flair, fun, and a sprinkle of fabulous. Step into the world of trending Tswana traditional dresses for 2025, where elegance meets African sass and culture Tswana traditional dresses 2025, Shweshwe dresses for Makoti, African wedding attire 2025, modern Swana bridal looks, trending Seshoeshoe dresses, African fashion with humor, elegant African dresses 2025, plus-size African dresses, Xhosa dope styles, Tswana wedding dresses 2025, trending world fashion hub, Tswana dresses 2025, Shweshwe with style, funny fashion talk, Makoti goals, South African fashion, Xhosa dopes, plus-size African fashion, world fashion hub, African elegance, wedding looks 2025. There you have it, queens and style bosses. If your jaw dropped even once during this video, it's time to like, comment, and subscribe, because we're not just trending, we're transforming wardrobes one sleigh at a time. Stay fabulous, stay African, and catch you in the next one, where the fashion's always hot and the vibes are always hot.